Everyone. Today our topic of discussion is even elimination was E2 eliminations and substitution was elimination reactions. So first I will discuss with even elimination was E2 eliminations. So primary halides undergo even elimination reactions. When you have secondary benzylic, tertiary and allylic halides, it can undergo both even eliminations or E2 elimination reactions. So when you are using highly concentrated strong base and aprotic polar solvents like TMF and DMF soap, etc. So there is a possibility of formation the product by the E2 elimination reactions. The same conditions also favor the formations of the SN2 reactions like highly concentrated base and aprotic polar solvent DMF like DMF and DMF. So both warrants the E2 elimination reaction as well as the SN2 reactions. So when you will use these conditions, there is a possibility of E2 elimination reactions, or there is also possibility of formation of the addition product by the SN2 reactions. So when you are using the weak bases and polar protic solvents like water, ethanol, and methanol, etc., follow even elimination reactions. In the similar way, this condition is also suitable for the SN1 reactions. So when you are using this type of condition, there is also possibility of formation of the elimination product as well as the addition product. And in this case, elimination will be by the even reactions, and the addition product will be formed by the SN1 reaction mechanism. So now we have discussed what is the condition is suitable for the even reactions or E2 reactions, and a similar way for the substitutions uh, for the SN1 or SN2 reaction, which condition is suitable. Now, as we discussed, there is a similar type of conditions when you are using strong base or weak base. There can be possibility of formation of the addition product as well as the elimination product. So now we will discuss when the elimination product will be formed and when the substitution product will be formed while using these similar conditions. So for what is the choice? The choice substitution over elimination is affected by the type of alkyl halides. So which type of alkyl halide we are using, that will tell us there will be formulation of the elimination product or substitution product. So primary alkyl halides undergo the E1 or E2 eliminations or SN2 reactions, primary alkyl halides, in the presence of strong base. So when you will use the primary alkyl halides, there will be the eliminations, E2 elimination, or and there will be the addition product by using the SN2 reactions. But do not react in the even elimination and SN2 when you use the weak base as not stable carbocation. There will be no reactions when we use the weak bases in the case of the even elimination or SN1 addition products. So here we have taken propyl bromide. We are reacting with sodium ethoxide in ethanol. So we are using the strong base. There is a possibility. There will be the one product. Major product will be the addition product by the SN2 mechanism, and minor product will be the elimination product. So when we'll use, so here we have taken the primary alkyl halides, but when the bulkier, so in the similar, so here we have using the sodium ethoxide. This is not bulkier. When you use the bulkier base, what will happen? Like potassium tertiary oxide or sodium tertiary oxide. So here we have primary alkyl halides and base is bulkier. So in that case, there will be formation of major elimination product 85% and less addition product. So this is the difference. The similar type of alkyl halides we have, and in one we are using the less bulkier base, and in the second we are using the bulkier base. When we will use the bulkier base, there will be the more elimination product. When we will use the less bulkier, there will be the addition product via the SN2 mechanism. This is the one case. In the another hand, if we will take the sterically neutral alkyl halide, so this is sterically hindered alkyl halide and using sodium methoxide, there is a more product formation by the elimination reactions, even eliminations. Sorry, E2 elimination reactions, and the minor product will formation by the addition reaction, SN2 reaction. So in the another case, if you use the secondary alkyl halides and strong base favor the elimination and the weak base favor the substitution reactions. If you use the strong base, there will be the elimination product, major elimination product in the presence of strong base, like 75%. And minor product will be the substitution product by the SN2 mechanism, and this will be 25%. If we use a weak base, there will be formation of the addition product. So while using the by using the strong or weaker base, we can differentiate. We can introduce the selectivity in the elimination was substitution reactions. So when we will use a strong base, there will be the more elimination product, and when we will use a weak base, there is a more addition product will be formation. Let's discuss some different case. In case tertiary alkyl halides, elimination product formed exclusively if we have tertiary alkyl halides in the presence of strong base. Okay, there will be no possibility of addition product, only elimination product will be formed. So this is a different condition we have studied how to get the selectively one product. It's depend on the base, it's depend upon the alkyl halide, what type of alkyl halides we are using. More strong base will produce the more elimination product, less strong base will give the more substitution product. Effect of what is the effect of temperature in the elimination or substitution reaction? At high temperature, elimination product form predominantly. So what we will do, if we use the high temperature in the reaction, there will be the more product will be formed by the elimination reaction. Thank you.